Let's create a gradient text straight in Shotcut video editor. So the first thing you have to do, just go straight here, you go straight to color, then you choose a white background, you click OK, you add straight to your timeline, then you go straight here, you go straight to text, then you add the text that you want. I'll just write text, then you choose the background. I'll just choose a background which I'll be removing, just click OK, then you click add straight there, then come straight here, you just make this to be that big, then you go downwards, you choose here, then you go straight to right at 300, then from here you choose bold, then you click OK, then that's what you have. You remove there all of that, you go downwards, then you add middle, then that is the basic of our text. Then from here you just click Ctrl Shift E, then you just take the screenshot, then you just write whatever you want to write, click save, then you go straight to your playlist, you go straight to recent, then that is the image that you have. You can just come here, you delete what you have here, just double click on that screenshot, make sure you're straight in the beginning, click Ctrl V, then you should just paste it here. That is our screenshot we just took. Then from here you just go straight to filters. You're on your screenshot, go straight to here, then you go straight to trauma, then go straight to trauma simple. It will remove like the green screen. That's not what we want to remove. We want to remove the white color. Then it will remove your white color because like the background is already white, so it will remove your white color. Then you just make this to be the maximum or any like color you prefer. Then you go straight to your behind, you go straight here, then you add a gradient. Then go to your gradient, then you choose how you want it to be. So I just choose this, I want it to be red, just click OK. Then I want the below one, I think I'm okay with that color. Then I just take this, I just push it up, then I can just make this on. Then that is the basic of our own color. Click Ctrl Shift Q to remove that. Then you can see we have like the gradient color. You can also come here, if you don't want black, you can just choose any color you prefer. You see, that's beautiful. Click Ctrl Shift Q, you can just move this a little bit, just like that. You can also change then from here you can just save it, then you remove like the green color which is the one that you don't want. So thank you so much guys, I'll see you on the next one.